Part-time strippers. You're doing the pole tricks, so you're a part-time stripper. Ladies laugh at that. They like that. They like seeing strippers.
Instead of asking our mother and father for money over and over every week, we just dance on the train and get the money ourselves. Chicken noodle soup, needle and thread.
The walking on air, the Kitty and Larry.
Lifeet. Lifey.
The ladies love me. Oh, on the subway, I think I got about at least over 300 number. And I'm not lying, I'm so serious. You know, it'd be a lot of good-looking 30-year-olds. That's why I can't wait till I hit 21, because I'm gonna be in that club going crazy with them. And they're gonna love me.
I never really hit nobody. I probably just tapped a couple people. Nowadays, we dance so much on the train. People still enjoy it, but most people really don't pay no mind to it anymore. And we're trying to get off the train, because we're also very talented off the train.
Ladies and gentlemen, when an elderly, disabled, or pregnant person is standing near you, offer your seat. You'll be standing up for what's right. Courtesy is contagious, and it begins with you.